This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pender. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom custom home on a high elevated lot just a block to the oceanfront beaches. Wonderful bright and open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, 2 fireplaces, hardwood floors, gorgeous eat-in kitchen, bonus office/den, dining room and plush primary suite with adjoining balcony. All bedrooms have private ensuite bathrooms. Beautifully landscaped yard, 2-car garage and large, oversized driveway. Very well maintained home with no fees. Home is virtually staged. For more information, review the details below.